Hi guys, what's Vilamoura like at night in April? Is it dead or is it alive? Come and walk with me and let's see. So there's a nice view of the marina. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I don't know how busy it's going to be. I'm just going to try and do it in one hit, no breaks. Well, it looks a lot busier than last time I was here. I think it was about November. Marina's looking beautiful. First place we come to is a steak restaurant called Rare, wood-fired and grill. Plenty of people in there. It's quite busy for this time of year. Fairways, not so busy. And we've got the 19th hole. Plenty of guys in there. We've got the football on. Who is it? I think it's Chelsea at the minute. I know United are playing and so are Rangers. Yeah, it's rocking in there, guys. Got the Chinese, Zhuyi. Last couple of times I've been to Vilamoura, this has been closed, but plenty of people in there as well. Well, this is the quiet end, guys, so by the time we get over there, should be rocking. It's about 9 PM, so people are still eating. Another Chinese, Thai. I'm actually been in there. There's quite a lot in there as well. Capriccio, must be Italian, sounds it. Yeah, pasta and pizza. Got outside dining terrace, there's no one there, 'cause it's a little bit breezy tonight. It is the 17th of April. Yeah, we have had quite a lot of dodgy weather. I have to plan the vlogs well in advance to try and get a nice day. Today wasn't one of them, so decided to come and do a nighttime vlog. Pizza Hut there, never actually been in Pizza Hut in all the years I've been over here. The Indian restaurant, Gandhi's Palace, very, very quiet. There's another Indian restaurant just up the stairs there, the Mughlai Clay. I've actually been in that one, it was a few years ago. I must say, it was very nice. Don't know if it's still the same owners. Got the ticket office for all your trips, all your boat tours, all your activities. Tobacconist is open. Starting to hear the music from over there. Some of those restaurants on the terrace look really nice. Got the Alley Hop shop, which I used to say ale hop. Got the sports shop there, selling all your Portuguese tops and football kits. The Old Navy, never been in there yet. And there is a few bars in the back streets, and also there's quite a lot of restaurants in the back streets. And the next video I do of Vilamoura will be all the restaurants in the back streets of the marina. Well guys, people are asking what's happened to Seti Vigo. This is it, it's just derelict. I don't know what they're going to be building there. But it won't be opening anytime soon, whatever it is. A shame, that was a really nice restaurant, that. Well, there's plenty of people about, still in shorts and t-shirts. I've got my duffel coat on. We've got the Mayflower. Quite a few people in there. Also on the terrace side as well. It is a little bit cold tonight for the terrace though, guys. A little bit windy. Got the Mai Tai. Plenty of people in there. I have to speak up a little bit. Got a Masters bar there. Got the music playing there. Might get copyright restrictions, so I'll speak up a little bit. Got the Gavia cocktail bar. Got the Thai fusion, spicy Thai. Yeah, most people are indoors. Not one person on the terrace there. I think we've got a couple more days of this iffy weather and it should be back to how it normally is. Got the Irish bar up there. Let's go and check it out. See if it's busy. If they're watching the football. Got the Sola Italian restaurant opposite. Let's see how busy this place is, guys. We've got the football on. Who is it? Oh, that's some nice screen, that, isn't it? Oh, it's United. Yeah, it's pretty quiet in there. Probably a little bit early. Probably be another hour before that picks up, once everyone's finished the meals. But if you like your Guinness, that's a place to go, guys. Or one of the places to go, because there's about 7 or 8 Guinness places along here. It's too cold for ice cream. Well, there's plenty of people in the Sola Italia. Very, very busy. In fact, there's not a free table. Well, it's nice to see a bit of life back here. Amorino Cafeteria Italiana, selling the ice creams. There's a few people queuing up for that though. Crepes and waffles. I can't believe how many Italian restaurants there is on Vilamoura. This is Luna Rossa, very, very busy. And also, there's a few people on the terrace. But that looks really nice, that. Lampora, that's very, very busy. I will have to give that a try one time. You okay? Now all the staff in there are very friendly. And they've all got the football on. It is United playing. Last time I looked, it was 2-0. Don't know what the score is now. What's this one? Another pizza pasta restaurant. La Fraghita. Not too busy. There's a few on the terrace. There's a typical Portuguese restaurant, O Marisca, specialising in seafood. Now the Haven restaurant, I've never actually been in it, but I've had really good reports about it. It's supposed to be very nice. We will do a future vlog on that one. Not too busy. Then we've got the brewery, another Irish bar. I'm sure I'll end up in one of these bars when I finish and have a Guinness. Well, they've got live music on here, guys. Yeah, very busy that. Got El Patron, or El Patron I should say, the Mexican. That's also very busy. Happy hour, 4 while 7. Cocktails, €9. All right, there we go. Pint, €3. Glass of wine, $2.50. You can't beat that. It's okay. Cheers, mate. Thanks. Okay. Just getting in the way here. Now we're getting around to the posh part. So that's the terrace of El Patron. Plenty of people there. Looks lovely with the heaters on. We've got the arcade, great fun for the kids. It's called Fun Farm. After a few drinks, you can test your power out on the boxing machines. This is my favourite restaurant on the marina. It's called The News. If you'd like to see the food and what it's like, check out our playlist, guys. We've got a vlog on that. The food in there is amazing. A little bit pricey, but it's got a great view, great location, staff are fantastic, and the food's amazing. And then they also have the indoor area where they've also got live music on as well. Yeah, I have to be a little bit careful with the music, guys. Even the ones that are not the original singers, some of them do have copyright. Got the hole-in-one next to it. Yeah, plenty on the terrace there. Let me get a little bit closer and see what the score is. No way. 2-2. Wow. That's crazy. That was 2-0 when I last looked. Looks like that could go into extra time. Got O'Neill's, another Irish bar. Also live music on in there tonight. I would imagine they start with live music about 10 o'clock. Got another tobacconist there. Oh, this is the burger place, isn't it? Yeah. It's quite a new one, that. It was closed when I came last time. Akvavit is another good restaurant. I think it's Swedish. That's the captain's bar. This is Akvavit. Yeah, I've had good reports about that. There's nobody on the terrace. Oh, well, one couple. But how nice is that, guys? A view right the way across the marina. Beautiful. Move out the way, I'm going to get run over. So we've got Murphy's Bar. Got a bit of music going on in there. They're all dancing. Yeah, this has just been refurbished. Last time I came, yeah, it was under major construction. Oh yeah, they've done it nice. Very nice. Let's get some prices. Full English, €8. Mega breakfast, €12. Do a club sandwich, €13. Chicken or baguettes, chicken tuna, €7. They do to share, chicken wings, to barbecue sauce, that's €14. All the mains, barbecue spare ribs, 18. Fish and chips, 13. Breaded chicken fingers, 16. Ribeye steak, €25. Do a T-bone there, €28. Looks really nice, that. Got a huge screen there. Suppose they've not got the football on out here because there's nobody sat outside. They're all inside. Well guys, I hope you've enjoyed the first walking tour of 2025 of Vilamoura. If you'd like to see more of our videos, click on the end screen right there. If you have managed to stay with us right the way through the walk, hit that like button, and to help us out, smash that subscribe button, guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Ciao for now.